So I'm gonna start by adjusting right in the mid back first, okay? So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Come down, way down. Very good. One more time, please. All the way out. Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Nice. Okay. So nice deep breath in. All the way out. Come down, way down. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. There it is. So head right as my hand. Now I want you to relax this shoulder for me, okay? Now just relax it fully. Relax it. Now drop the head to the left. Good. Release there. Wow. How did that feel?
Good.
Awesome.
I felt like that's kind of what needed to happen.
Awesome. Awesome. Let's go right behind the neck for me one more time. And just relax it all the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice. All the way out. Relax it.